Hello and welcome back to my channel again. I hope you all are doing good. I am doing good too. So let's start. It's night time. I'm feeling sleepy, but I thought of taking an advantage of this to create a vocabulary week. Yes, to create a vocabulary of, I'm sure you've understood of what? Yes, of a mosquito net. Yes, let me talk about mosquito net today. The word mosquito net is a compound noun. Yes, it is added with a noun and another noun. That is mosquito and net. Both belong to the category of noun and they are compound nouns. Now, let me once give you a glimpse. As you can see, it is my mosquito net is all done. I am all set for my good night's sleep. But what is the purpose of a mosquito net and how do we define that? Well, a mosquito net, we can call it, it's a mesh, mesh design or a very fine netted cloth used to cover the bed, especially from the mosquitoes or any other insects while sleeping, especially at night. Yes, nighttime sleep would be a comfortable sleep away from the mosquitoes. So that is the purpose of mosquito net. Now, let's talk about the kinds of nets, the types of mosquito nets. Let's start. Well, now let me show you the structure for mosquito net. The structure, this is called the frame. Yes, the four square round. It's we can see, yes, it's a square also. We can see sometimes it looks like a rectangle too. It comes in different shapes as it is designed. So this is the structure, the frame of the mosquito net. Here now comes the guy lines. Guy lines are these ropes that are used to tuck the mosquito net. These are the hooks, as you can see, the net hooks that are used to hook the mosquito. Yes, here we do not use it on a wall, otherwise we give a nail on the walls too sometimes to hook the nets there, and these are just the poles we can see here, wherein we use these as a support to hang the mosquito net. This is the structure. Hi, I am here inside the mosquito net. Well, let me tell you the types of mosquito nets. One is a bed net. So this you can see is a bed net. Yes, it is covering my bed, covering me from mosquitoes or any other insects and will help me have a good sleep at night. Then next comes canopy net. Canopy is a kind of a net which only covers the overhead, is the head portion. Generally we do not use them indoors. Then comes portable net. Portable mosquito net is something which is very lightweight, which we carry it outside for outdoor purposes, and same as treated net. Treated net means a mosquito net that is treated with mosquito repellents or other chemicals to make the insects or the flies or mosquitoes come away from you, away from you. So these are actually used again outdoors when people go for camping, for staying the base camps, or for a night journey, something, a picnic. So all these purposes, for that people do use a treated net or a portable net. But mine is just a bed net, very cozy and comfortable one, and which helps me give a good sleep every night thanks to my mosquito nets. Well, I hope this vocabulary will be of use. You will remember the features, the kinds of nets, and will surely try to find out more. Oh, so I am ready for my cozy sleep. I hope you liked the video. Do subscribe and share. As of now, good night. Bye bye. I'll be ready for my sleep.